normally you come across contractors who will say, Madam, estimate hai, 15% आगे पीछे हो सकता है. Now that's not acceptable to us because we really are very clear about how much we wanted to invest. So that was also at the back of our mind that overruns were certainly not acceptable.
And the number of choices that a customer has is so many, but there is no one unified agency which can bring together the entire interiors part under one roof.
Our experience in the past has been that most of the contractors, I would call them contractors because that's what the option you've had, they are not very committed to time frames. I mean, things which should happen in 6 months' time will end up taking year and a half. You have to go through multiple rounds of design discussions to be able to arrive at anything which meets your requirement. And then during the execution stages, typically it runs into many challenges where things have to be changed last minute, and then the holistic view that you have gets lost.
I think one big advantage that Native Sutra has is that when you're doing a fit out, the person who's very deeply involved in it is actually a well-entrenched architect. So the understanding is not just of what lies before your eyes, but also what goes into making a home. They have a very clear understanding of where and how much to spend, what is the value for money that you can get, and also there is no discrepancy between the commitment that they make and what the end product is there, both in terms of cost and in terms of the finishes.
I think the quality of the product, always on time, on budget, and having a little twist so that it is, there's something special about it. I think that has been very good. And whenever we needed hand-holding, they always exhibited flexibility. And even post-completion, if we ever had to reach out for anything, they were always present for us.
Everything is in its place. Every piece of that room is ideally located for that. As to where is the sunlight entering, where should the position of your wardrobe be, how should your wardrobe be opening so that it kind of looks at minimal space. So जो पहले कमरा छोटा सा लग रहा था, now it is essentially very spacious.
Very often in the design stage, you have fancy ideas, okay, which look great because they are fancy by definition. However, over a period of time, you often realize that durability is a very important aspect which can often be compromised when you go for fancy ideas. Okay, and this is particularly true for kitchens, where there is a lot of movement of drawers, or your wardrobes where panels move up and down. So flimsy stuff, whilst it may look great, is not a great idea. And I think what Native Sutra was able to do, understanding our ideas, which were often highly creative, but yet marrying them with durable, tough stuff, which will last for years.
We are going to be looking at another property around the corner, and I am absolutely chilled out to say, we know who we are going to be working with, so there's no question about that. It is Native Sutra for us.
That Native Sutra is a very good combination of architectural skills and scale project management. So when you fuse these two things together, great customer experience happens. And that is why we have done multiple projects with Native Sutra.
Real test is that we have used them multiple times and have recommended them to friends and family. And once again, I think it just comes down to a trusted relationship, very good aesthetics, they are architects, always on time, within budget. So they have our strongest recommendation.